Hey guys, this is Rachel. I am back. Today is part 1 of our kitchen renovation. It's kind of just an update, really. So here is the before of my kitchen. Excuse the countertops. They contained all of the stuff that was in the cabinets that we have to take down. As you can see, it's kind of a bland wood finish with laminate countertops. It was meh. So the first thing we wanted to do was remove the side of the upper cabinets with the microwave. And oh my goodness, was it such a hassle. That microwave was janky AF in there, and it was such a pain to get it down. I wish we had video, but it took both of us to get it down there. So we didn't get video of us removing the cabinets, but here is kind of when we remove the cabinets on the left, and then we actually removed the drywall because we're going to take that wall up slightly. Not all the way, but up slightly. Okay, so next up was painting the cabinets and the cabinet doors. So we took all the cabinet doors off and we took those outside to paint those outside. We were going to paint the actual cabinets, but we realized when we went to go try the lower cabinets that the countertop actually covered the top lip, so we couldn't paint the top lip. So we were like, guess we have to remove the countertops this weekend and get new countertops this weekend. Yay. We used a Valspar cabinet paint, but we first put a regular primer. We painted the cabinets. We didn't sand. Hear that? We did not sand. We just used a primer, and then we used the Valspar. We were definitely terrified when we used the primer and were not content with the results. But after 2 coats of the Valspar paint, it worked out great. As you can see from this photo, the doors came out this royal blue color. So we had to go back and get the darker paint for that. That was just a hiccup. So we had gotten a lighter blue paint to paint all the cabinets, but we painted the doors first and realized that this color was awful. So I had to go back to get the base for it. And then we got a darker blue, which is the royal navy right there. And we painted the cabinets and the doors, and it came out great. So we got a nice stainless steel Farmhouse sink, which is my dream sink. I'm so excited about it. And as you can see in this photo, Phil had to cut into the existing cabinets to get the Farmhouse sink to fit. And then he had to cut into the butcher block so that the sink could fit in and sink in there. And then in the next photos, you can see with the cabinets actually painted that we stained the butcher block a dark walnut. So we did dark walnut, and then we did 2 coats of poly on top of that to give it a nice shine. So yeah, it's not completely done, but I'm happy with the progress, and this is where we are right now. We still have the wall to take up and finish on the oven side of the kitchen. If you like this video and you are looking forward to the next part 2, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also give it a thumbs up for all of Phil's hard work, and hit the subscribe button. We'll be back soon with part 2. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.